Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is Esmeralda from the East coming in to say hello and how do you do? So, I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but I certainly had not. Mortgage insurance, what does that even mean? I can insure my mortgage? Do you mean like PMI? No. So, mortgage insurance is another term for life insurance. Who knew? But I guess after you think it through, it makes sense. So mortgages are typically 30 years. You can get a 30-year term life insurance that would then protect your family for the term of the mortgage if, God forbid, you croak, to use Abraham's term, before the mortgage is paid off. So nobody wants to be in a situation where a loved one passes away and now you can't stay in the house. Now, in addition to having a devastating emotional trauma, now you also are in financial trauma because your whole life is changing, whether you like it or not, because you cannot afford to stay in your family home. And it's really sad, and it, honest to God, like, it breaks my heart when people are in situations where it's like GoFundMe's everywhere, and sometimes we just don't have what we think we have, or we think we have more, or we think we have different, or we didn't really read the 47-page contract, because seriously, bro, who's reading that? Some people, because I actually had somebody call me today and be like, hey, so can I get the full contract? Yes, I can order that for you. Wants to read the whole contract. So, not life insurance, homeowner's insurance, but either way, wants to read the full contract. And that's cool. Like, you should be informed, you should know what you have. God bless you if you can actually understand all of that, because I had to go to school to get a license to learn all that. But perhaps the man was an attorney, or, who knows. But yeah, he definitely had a very specific clause that he was looking for and wanted clarity on, and wants the full contract. So know what you have, I guess, is the moral of that story, because a lot of these life insurance policies, especially the one with the cute little TikToks, oh, look at me, I'm so fancy and smart, and do not have your best interest in heart. So know what you have, know what questions to ask, so you know what you have, because there's lots of people out there looking all shiny and new, selling you really terrible products that honestly I don't know how they're legal, and I truly believe that the only reason why we'll stop there. Anyway, know what you have. If you need help looking at it, interpreting it, call me. I will help you. All right, on that note, I am going to bid you all adieu. I hope you make yourself a magical, beautiful, wonderful, glorious day. And seriously, call me and let's get something in place that protects your family, protects what you have worked so hard for, because it just makes sense. I love you all.